Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your weekly love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidance from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I'm going to use this spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life and in your person's love life. I will take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and concentration. 4 cards for your feeling, attention, concentration, and 2 cards for mutual energies. Okay, let's get started. Pisces, what is the Pisces person's feeling and thinking towards Pisces? What are the Pisceans person's feeling and thinking towards Pisces? What are the Pisceans person's feeling and thinking towards Pisces? And we are having here 3 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, the Star, and 4 of Swords. So what are the King of Pentacles? So what are the Pisceans feelings toward this person? Strength, Ace of Sword, the Tower. So what are the mutual energies? 2 of Pentacles, the Chariot. These are your cards and signs that could relate to your person. It could be any Cancer with this Chariot card. It could be any Aquarius with this Star card. Any Leo with this Strength card. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 9 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and 2 of Pentacles, and 3 of Pentacles. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 4 of Sword, Ace of Sword. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling, Pisces. And your person is working on a project, and this person see you as a happily single, independent person. They see you like that. You are so like you are enjoying your abundance. You are enjoying your like yourself. You are so you are busy with yourself, and this person is like working on a new thing. They are working on a project, and maybe you are working on this mission to have you in their life, because they are hoping, they are seeing you. They think you are unapproachable for them, but they still wish for you. If you are star, but they can wish for you, and they are wishing for you. They want to have you in their life, and they think you are out of their reach. You are out of their hands. And also 4 of Sword. This person is a little bit tired. Maybe this person is done chasing you and done running after you, and you are still single, you are independent, you don't need anyone. Maybe you are so self-sufficient, and that this is this person's feelings towards you. They think you don't need anyone, and that's why this person is a little bit tired. I want to take a break. That's why you are so out of this person's reach. That's why this person feel like that. They can only wish for you, wish for your light, wish for your having you, because you are so independent and self-sufficient. And this person is working on you like a mission. They're taking you as a mission, but sometimes they feel so tired. So let's see what is in your feelings, Pisces. And you are have a complete self-control. You have a complete emotionally control. Your feelings are under your control. You control your inner beast. You control yourself. You have a complete control on yourself, and you are so stable on your ground, in your finances, in your work. You are this King of Pentacles. You are putting healthy boundaries around you. You are putting some kind of barrier around you. You are stable, and you want a new beginning. You want a clarity in this life, and you get clarity. And when you get clarity, you are so shocked. You feel like you find out a truth, because you want to find a truth. You want a new beginning, and for having a new beginning, you need to know about truth. You need to know about what is actually happened, and you get shocked after finding that truth, Pisces. And you are in complete control. So I think you find out that this person is juggling with multiple things, or maybe there is some kind of third party involved in this. with this, Three of Pentacle and this Two of Pentacle. This person is juggling with multiple things. Maybe this person is having some kind of maybe you find out this person is having some kind of attraction at their workplace. Maybe you find out, and this is your shock, and you are a little bit, this person is not in the right balance, Pisces, and you are moving forward. You are strict, a little bit strict, and you are moving toward this person, but strictly. And feelings are not so deep, because feelings are not so overtake you, because you have a complete self-control. You put your feelings behind, and try to talk to this person. So let's see what else we have for you, Pisces. What else for Pisces? What else for Pisces? We are having here Page of Cups, Four of Cups, and as a outcome, Seven of Sword. Oh, ouch. So this person will act like immature child. They will offer their love and their affection, but you feel like that this person is immature and acting like a child, and this person is so nervous around you. This person is so confused. This person offer you love, and you are not taking this. No, you are in a no mood. You are so stubborn. You are in a no energy. This person offer you love, and you are like, no, I'm not going to take anything from you, because you have a strong strength, in a complete strength, Pisces. You are not taking anything from this immature kid, this crybaby. And the reason of not taking anything from this person past, you learn from your past, and you learn like this person is a liar. You learned this person is a manipulation. This person is just a liar, and this person is sneaky. This person is again trying to manipulate you. These kind of feelings you are having toward this person, and in upcoming week you feel like that. You feel you can entering this energy of Seven of Sword. You feel the deception. This is your shock. Again this person is doing this to you, offering you love, and when you uh, reject them because of their deeds they do in past. And this is this person's mission, to get you, but you are not giving yourself to this person. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you in the end. What advice messages I should have for you? Think about yourself and value yourself. Forgive yourself first. Love yourself. And prayer. These are few advices in the end for you. Stop blaming yourself, it's destiny. These are few advices in the end for you, my Pisces. And the summary of your reading is, this person see you like you are not in their reach. They are hoping and wishing for you. They can wish for a star, and they see you like you are self-sufficient. You don't need anyone. You are so independent. You are so like complete on your own. And this person is a little bit tired of this. And there is some kind of third party involved in this, and this person is a cheater. This person again try to play with you, and you find out the truth, and this is your shock. And you will cut this person off from your life, and you are not taking anything from this person. You are in a no mood. You know that this person is the clearly indication. Be careful, Pisces. This person is a cheater. This person is a liar. This person is sneaky and manipulate you, and you really don't want to get hurt again by this person. And that's why you are protecting yourself, putting healthy boundaries around you, and you have a complete self control on you, and you are not taking anything from this person. These are few summary of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. Hope this resonate with you. If it resonate with you, please tell me in comments. And thank you so much for your time and for your attention. If you like what I do, please support my channel. God bless you. Bye.